Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a potato soup recipe, and for that you're going to need small sized potatoes, about 10 pieces to serve 2 people, diced carrots, some tomatoes, some diced onions, garlic and ginger, and red and green bell peppers, and also we are going to be using some spices, cumin, rosemary, coriander and cinnamon, and some salt to taste. Let's begin. Alright, so we begin by seasoning our potatoes, and to do that I always advise that you mix your spices in a bowl separately. So we're just going to do a pinch of cinnamon, some rosemary, a pinch of rosemary, pinch of coriander, and a fingertip of cumin, and also we're going to do half a teaspoon of some chili flakes. Mix it up in there, making sure that every bit of your potatoes is covered in the spice. So you're going to begin by bringing your pot to high heat and adding some cooking oil. This is when we add the onions. Add your ginger and garlic. The green bell peppers. Then we're going to add in the red bell peppers. Give it a stir, and then you reduce the heat to medium. Then we're going to add in our tomatoes. Diced carrots. Give them a stir. And then we're going to add some water so that they don't burn. Alright, so our carrots have been simmering for around 10 minutes. So we're going to add in our potatoes. I've just added a quarter liter of hot water into our marinated tomatoes. So you're just going to pour them in. Remember, you want a lot, as much soup as you want, because this is a soup, so you can add in as much water as you like, but you also don't want to overdo it because it will be very light and not that thick, sweet soup that we want to get. And then add some salt to taste. Then now we're going to leave it on high heat, let it boil for the next 10 minutes, and then we are going to put it on a simmer. Then it's going to be done. Alright guys, our potato soup is ready to be served, and we're going to serve it into our bowl. Then I'm going to add some soup. There you have it. Enjoy your potato soup. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this video helped you learn something about creating a delicious vegetable soup. In this case, potato soup. Let me know if you like this and if you will go on and try on your own recipe. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.